Hello everyone. We are super excited with Michelle because we are here to talk to you about our upcoming Breathwork workshop called Manifesting Reality. And it's actually a 5-hour Breathwork workshop. It is a 5-hour workshop because we also teach you techniques that you can use in your own time to improve the quality of your life. So we teach you a few things that you can learn: how to manage your nervous system, how to re-energize your body with the breath, how to overcome overwhelming situations. If you experience anxiety, which breathwork techniques you can use to overcome these experiences. It is a beautiful day. You know, we have a cacao ceremony, we have sound healing, we have some dancing, connecting activities. It's a beautiful day that we have prepared for you, and we're super excited to have you.
Part of our intention behind this workshop and what we're sharing with people is this theme of manifesting reality. So really having a look through journaling, through some self-reflection about the reality that you really would like to create for yourself and how you can go about manifesting that. So we workshop this, we give you tools, we do a meditation on this, our cacao ceremony is on this. So there's a lot in the day that helps us to really work on manifesting that reality. And Christian and I are both very good at practicing this ourselves. We manifest everything that we're doing today, and it's very conscious how we create things. So we really want to share those tools from our own personal experience as well, from what we've learned over the years. So yeah.
When you come here, you experience who we are, and we share the things that we know and that we embody in our lives. So if they resonate with you, you might take them into your own life. So it is a beautiful day. We do a lot of mindfulness talk, mindset work as well. So it's how to learn how to use your mind as well. It's not just the mindfulness, but the mindset, you know, so you can control your thoughts instead of your thoughts are in control of you.
Every time we run one of these events, we do sell out. So we are definitely expecting to sell out for this event. So please don't delay. If you feel the call and you know you want to come along, jump on it and message us if you have any questions. We're really open to share.
It is a very deep day, but we also have a lot of fun. I think that whatever you do, have fun. If you don't have fun, if you're not enjoying it, don't do it. That's my philosophy, and Michelle as well. We take our work very seriously, but we also make sure that we bring this energy that is fun as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're looking forward to seeing you there.
Yes.
Ciao.
Yeah, come along. See you. That was good.